Is my profile good enough for ISB? This is a question that many ISB applicants ponder over while applying to ISB. Aware of the stringent competition, applicants get nervous at even the slightest hint of imperfections in their profile. This video discusses some of these perceived imperfections, along with suggestions on how to overcome them. A few typical perceived profile weaknesses that make the applicants nervous about their chances at ISB include minimal or completely missing extracurricular, barely completing the minimum 2 years of work experience for PGP, a higher work experience of 8+ years, not sterling academic grades in class 12 or college, career gap for UPSC preparation, no demonstrated leadership experience, no big names to show for education or employment, minimal or completely missing social service record, experience in an overrepresented sector, a relatively low GMAT GRE score, work experience limited to government semi-government sector, lack of any international work experience. Consequently, applicants start having second thoughts about applying to ISB. Our suggestion: do not have second thoughts. There is no such thing as a perfect profile. Every profile has its own fair share of strengths and weaknesses. Hence, rather than brooding over your weaknesses, introspect on your strengths. We have covered a few of these perceived weaknesses in our other videos on the following topics: career gap for UPSC preparation, applying to ISB with poor or average academics, the role of extracurricular in the ISB application, candidates from government PSU's military applying to ISB. Rather than brooding over your weaknesses, introspect your strengths. In fact, you would be surprised that what you perceived as weaknesses can actually be portrayed as genuine strengths. For instance, if your work experience is 8+ years, demonstrate the length and breadth of your experiences, since this would demonstrate the tremendous value add that you bring to the class. If you have had any leadership experiences, that would be an icing on the cake. If your work experience is significantly below the average for ISB, demonstrate how you have had breadth of experiences even in that short duration. After all, quality of experience matters as much as quantity matters. If you have had no leadership experience, demonstrate instances that show willingness to take ownership and ability to take initiatives. After all, leadership is not just about leading a team. If you have minimal or completely missing social service record, you can still demonstrate empathy by virtue of an instance wherein you perhaps showed concern for your coworker by volunteering to take up your coworker's tasks at work because your coworker was facing a personal adversity. If your experience is exclusively limited to an overrepresented sector such as information technology, you can still differentiate yourself by showcasing complex projects that you have been a part of, difficult clients that you have handled, tight deadlines that you have met, or international clients whom you have successfully worked with. ISB application provides you with the opportunity to highlight your strengths. Spike is an overused term in the application space. Look for spikes in your profile. It could be anything, for instance, your undergrad college brand, your extracurricular or your professional accomplishments. Use the application and the essays to project your spikes. The bottom line is that very few applicants, if any, have a perfect profile. The good news is that almost no perceived weakness is a showstopper. Portray your perceived weaknesses as strengths and use the ISB application to highlight your strengths. We wish you good luck and hope that your ISB dream becomes your future.